making fried green tomatoes. Had a tomato here getting ready to turn there. I bought them the other day at the store, intentions to fry up some green tomatoes. Well, we get busy and all. I'm working on my area to put my smoker and griddle and stuff. And it's been raining non-stop, it seems like, so we'd forget about them being there on the counter, and I looked over there and I thought, well, if we're going to have fried green tomatoes, we better do it now. We're going to have fried red tomatoes. Anyways, we get them sliced up and get them ready here in just a minute. Well, let's speed it up a little bit. Now we're going to be using the fish fry batter mix, the Louisiana fish fry batter mix. It's cornmeal with seasonings in it, so we thought that would be something to try. And yes, we're doing them in the air fryer. So we sprayed down the air fryer basket and get it all ready. And then we're going to make sure all of these have got a good coating of the cornmeal mix on it. Set them in another plate there. Okay, after we get them all covered with the cornmeal mix, we'll spray them with some cooking spray. Kind of coat them pretty good. Get them coated, both sides, and then we'll place them in the air fryer. And we'll speed this up once again to get through this. We put them in there 5 minutes at 370 degrees, and then we'll bump it up a little. Then we raise the temp to 390 degrees. And after another 5 minutes, we decided it was time to turn them. They're browning up and looking good. And this is the first time we've ever tried fried green tomatoes in the air fryer, so we're just kind of looking around for the right temperature to use. After turning them over, we put them in for another 5 minutes at 390 degrees. This is how they came out. They look really good. Well, actually, they turned out pretty good. They tasted great. That Louisiana fish fry batter mix worked great on them. I apologize again for the lighting. I want to thank each and every one for watching. Stay safe.